Most people think weight loss is all about what you eat, but science says when you eat is just as important. Every time you eat, your insulin and blood sugar go up, and they take hours to come back down. But when you fast, other powerful hormones kick in. It's not just about calories, it's about setting the right conditions inside your body. When you stop eating, your body doesn't just pause, it switches gears. Blood sugar drops, insulin drops, and your body begins to unlock stored fat for energy. At the same time, growth hormone rises and your brain becomes sharper. Fasting isn't starving, it's signaling your body to repair, burn fat, and perform better. It's not just about how long you fast, it's about when you eat during the day. Eating late at night throws off your hormones, digestion, and sleep quality. But eating during your active hours, like morning or afternoon, aligns your body's natural rhythm. Your organs, metabolism, and even your genes function better when you eat at the right time. The two most important fasting rules: don't eat for the first hour after waking, and don't eat 2-3 hours before bed. This gives your body time to stay in fat burning mode in the morning and helps you sleep deeper, recover better, and reset your hormones at night. Get these two windows right, and the rest of your day gets easier. While you sleep, your body isn't just resting, it's repairing. Fasting during sleep triggers autophagy, your body's natural cleanup crew. Old, damaged, or sick cells get broken down and recycled. The longer you fast after waking, the deeper into this healing state you go. Pair good sleep with smart fasting, and your body becomes a regeneration machine. The ideal eating window depends on your lifestyle, but the science points to one key rule: start eating later in the day and finish early. A 6-hour window, like 12 p.m. to 6 p.m., gives your body time to digest, reset, and burn fat for longer. It tacks onto your sleep fast, keeps insulin low, and boosts energy and clarity. Fasting isn't random, it's precision timing for peak health. Want to speed up fat burning and get out of the fed state faster? Just take a 20 to 30 minute walk after your last meal. Light movement helps clear glucose from your system faster, meaning you shift into fat burning mode sooner. You don't need intense cardio. Just a walk after dinner is enough to double the impact of your fast. Some people take fasting further by eating one day and fasting the next. It's called alternate day fasting, and research shows it's safe and effective. It can reduce blood sugar, trigger rapid fat loss, and even preserve muscle mass when done right. It's not for everyone, but if you want faster results, this strategy works. One of the biggest myths about fasting that you'll lose muscle, but science shows that when you fast, especially with enough protein and resistance training, your body prioritizes fat for fuel. After 60 days of time-restricted eating, people lost more fat while preserving lean muscle. Fasting doesn't eat your muscle, it protects it when done right. If your goal is to lose fat and keep muscle, this is the winning combo. Time-restricted eating with a slight calorie deficit, a 6-8 hour eating window, whole foods, enough protein, and consistent training. Research shows this approach burns more fat than other methods, while protecting your metabolism and energy levels. Simplicity, structure, and science, that's the formula. During fasting, your body runs on stored fuel instead of incoming calories. Blood sugar and insulin drop. Growth hormone rises. Your liver starts releasing ketones, an alternative energy source that fuels your brain and muscles. Meanwhile, your cells go into repair mode, breaking down old, damaged material for energy. It's not just burning fat, it's metabolic transformation. You can fast perfectly and still mess it all up if you eat junk during your eating window. Processed foods spike insulin, create inflammation, and store fat, even in a calorie deficit. The magic happens when you combine fasting with quality nutrition. Whole foods, protein, fiber, and healthy fats make your fast work for you, not against you. The first thing you eat after fasting matters a lot. You want foods that are easy to digest, high in protein, and stabilize your blood sugar. Think lean meats, eggs, veggies, healthy fats, and skip the sugar bombs. Your body is primed to absorb nutrients, so give it fuel that builds muscle, not fat. Fasting feels tough at first, but your body adapts fast. Within days, hunger hormones adjust, energy stabilizes, and cravings fade. Your body learns to burn fat more efficiently, and your brain starts to love ketones. The key is consistency, because once you adapt, fasting goes from struggle to superpower. Not everything you consume ends a fast. A true fast is broken when your body starts releasing insulin, usually from calories. Water, black coffee, plain tea, safe. But even a splash of milk, a bite of food, or a sugary drink, that ends the fast. The goal is to avoid triggering insulin so your body stays in fat-burning repair mode. Fasting doesn't just burn fat, it helps you live longer. Studies show it reduces inflammation, boosts cellular repair, and protects against age-related diseases. It triggers autophagy, balances blood sugar, and improves mitochondrial function, your body's energy engines. Over time, fasting becomes more than a diet. It's a strategy for long-term health and aging in reverse. Yes, you can build muscle while fasting if you do it right. The key? Enough protein, progressive resistance training, and smart timing. Train during your eating window, fuel with high-protein meals, and recover well. Fasting doesn't block muscle growth. It forces your body to become more efficient at using nutrients. Less fluff, more function. Ever notice how you're sharper when you fast? That's not a coincidence. Fasting increases norepinephrine and dopamine, boosting focus and motivation. It also triggers ketone production, which fuels your brain more cleanly than sugar. Many people report better memory, sharper thinking, and creative breakthroughs during a fast. Hungry? Maybe, but also laser focused. Fasting works best when you follow 3 key rules. 1. Stick to a consistent eating window. 2. Eat clean, whole foods, especially protein. 3. Train regularly to protect muscle and boost results. Fasting isn't magic, it's a system. When these 3 pillars line up, your body transforms faster, stronger, and smarter. Fasting isn't a trend, it's a tool. If you want to burn fat, protect muscle, sharpen your mind, and feel in control of your health, fasting works. But like any tool, it depends on how you use it. Start small, stay consistent, listen to your body, and remember, fasting isn't about eating less, it's about eating smart. That's it for today's episode of Toonfit Legends. If you learned something new about fasting, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs it. And remember, it's not about starving, it's about strategy. Eat smart and train hard.